There's an amazing VA loan hack that nobody talks about.
Nobody.
And few people even know about. And in this video, I'm gonna break it down so you know everything you need to know about this amazing hack. So on VA loans, the seller can actually pay debts, so bills, and judgments for the buyer. It has to fall in the 4% of the sales price paid in closing costs rule that they have, right? So it's got to be included in that. Now you may say, Dave, why would a seller ever pay for a buyer's bills or judgments or any of those things? Well, first off, you're not telling them that.
I'm not gonna tell you that. Why not?
You're asking for up to 4% of the sales price. If it's a $300,000 home, you're asking for $12,000 to use it any way that you want. As a VA buyer, why would I want them to pay some of my bills or judgments? Shorter answer is to get approved for the loan, right? Number one, maybe you have an outstanding judgment. You don't have all the funds to pay for it. Using that money, you could pay it off to qualify. If there's bills that you need to pay off to qualify for that much home, like, man, I'm only pre-approved for a home of $250, but I want to be able to buy $300,000. What do I need to pay off to qualify? Maybe it's a car loan that's $12,000, right? That has a $400 payment. Well, by paying that off, you're saving $400 a month in bills, allow you to buy more home. It's also going to be more beneficial for you financially to pay off something like that, or credit card debt, or things that have a higher payment than maybe using that money toward buying down the interest rate. Maybe you'll save, $50 if you bought down the interest rate with that same money. But if you took that money and paid off your bills, you're lowering your overall expenses each month. This makes it way easier to buy a home and makes it way easier to get pre-approved for buying a home. So a huge hack that nobody talks about is that on VA loans, the seller can pay your bills for you at closing. And it's a game changer. Hope you found this information helpful. If you did, I'd love to be your lender. And stick around for this next video where I go over my top 10 VA mortgage secrets.